case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2015, the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois heard a compelling case, Naperville Smart Meter Awareness versus City of Naperville, focused on the pivotal principle that the government should not engage in unwarranted or unreasonable searches that infringe on an individual's privacy rights. The lawsuit was a focal point of debate surrounding digital privacy in contemporary society. It all began when the Naperville Smart Meter Awareness, NSMA, a not-for-profit corporation advocating for a responsible utility meter solution in Naperville, Illinois, moved forward with legal action against the City of Naperville. At the heart of their complaint was the city's installation of smart meters in their members' homes, a step taken by the city in 2012 as part of their Department of Public Utilities Electrics initiative to replace existing analog electricity meters. Financed by the U.S. Department of Energy, this shift was part of the Naperville Smart Grid initiative. However, the NSMA claimed that these smart meters went a step too far, accusing the city of collecting excessive data and interval data from participants in their demand response program. In response, NSMA sought an injunction, imposing a mandate on the city to offer non-wireless meter options at no additional cost to requesting customers. Previously, the court had dismissed this amendment due to a lack of a reasonable expectation of privacy regarding the aggregated electrical consumption data collected by the smart meters. Undeterred, the NSMA returned to court with a Third Amended Complaint challenging this decision. Unfortunately for the NSMA, the court remained unswayed by their arguments. It denied NSMA's petition for a Third Amended Complaint concerning Counts 1 and 2. The court reasoned that NSMA's allegations of privacy invasion and unjust searches under both the U.S. and Illinois constitutions did not meet the necessary plausibility threshold. Despite the blow to their case, the court did recognize one aspect of NSMA's claim, the assertion of unequal treatment of customers. However, the overall rejection of the NSMA's claims marked a significant development in the discourse around privacy rights and the digital landscape.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.